So hey guys, yes guys, it's rjcollafx back again. Welcome to a day in the life of a forex trader. Yes guys, my name is rjfx. I'm a YouTuber and also I am a forex trader. Yes guys, I trade forex. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I will spend my day. Yes guys, how I moved my day, and probably just went to the market, do some other things, and I'll carry you guys along. Yes guys, so if you're not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscription button for your boy. Also turn on the like, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell to receive more videos from me. Alright, so guys, let's go ahead, let's go along. Yes, so guys, practically today I'm just going to head out normal how my day I spend my day usually. Not really anything much, right? Just go out, go out, do one or two, come back, and that's all. Nothing much. It's not really that complicated. So guys, yeah, I entered a bike which took me to the market. Yes guys, I'm on my way to the market to buy some food stuff which I used to take care of myself because Allah will the enter. Help us understand this feeling when Allah will enter, because the joy in us is that we are going to stack our house, we are going to stack everywhere because food don't show like this. Yes guys, so there was many vehicles on the way which was actually the same place we were going. So I came down from the bike and started heading into inside the market where I was seeing a lot of things. I'll be very honest with you guys, I was shy. Like I was damn shy, because at this point everyone is looking at me like, why is he really doing what's going on, why is he looking at me, they think you are recording their face and stuff like that. So it was kind of strange and weird to me. So I was trying to look up before that guy was bouncing all around. I was trying to like focus on their ability, because I was very shy. I didn't know like guys, because everyone was just basically looking at me. Okay, so in this market, right, they sell a lot of things, right, like rice, beans, curry, probably almost everything, even to English clothes they sell here. Oh yes guys, if you have not joined my free Telegram group, it's in my bio. Do where to just go inside and check for the free Telegram group where I drop free signals. Of course guys, also, as a trader, man just have to trade little by little. You understand? We don't trade every day. Yes. So I got to the point, but I did not see the woman. Yeah, the lady that I'm supposed to buy some food stuff from, she was not around. So I had to just wait. I started recording myself, looking up, looking at people. Everyone was just looking at me strangely as I was recording, because they don't actually shoot content in that place like that. In fact, I'm not saying anybody shooting content there. Like, I'm just like someone who shoots content there. So she came finally. So I bought some beans, some rice, some other things which she just packaged for me, and I just packaged everything inside the bag. My bag looked small, but the money that went down there, it was something else, guys. It was something else. So I went back to price bike, which would take me home, which actually carried me home, and therefore took me home. I just went home to relax and do stuff like that. You understand? So basically, that's how my day went. Nothing really much complicated. Yes, guys. So yes, I'm also still balancing trading. Of course, this day I did not trade because I was busy, being a busy day. So I don't trade when I'm busy. I only trade when I'm free to trade and stuff like that. The market is not running, the market is still waiting for me. There's no need to run or be putting myself under pressure. So guys, yes guys, so this is practically the end of the video. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button, like button, and turn on the notification bell.